from Two Busy Bums. In our channel, we make all the cloth diapering related videos. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. And in today's video, I have a really quick unboxing that I really wanted to do for you guys. Is from the Bunny Bottoms. So I got two fitted from them. So before I prep them and start using them, I just wanted to do a really quick video so you guys know there is another option of the fitted diaper, which I didn't know initially. I came to know about like 2-3 months back from one of my subscriber, and I just really wanted to try them out. And also recently in this summer, I am just planning to move to fully to flats, free flats, fitteds, and wool cover, or possibly like fleece wraps or fleece soakers, and couple of pockets for nighttime and covers to go over the fitteds and the flats and pre-flats. So let's just get to open this package and see how it looks like. So this is how you can see they sent it in a beautiful box, and there was it was sent through the India Post. You can even opt for courier, and this is how the box that they are using currently, and then they just put it in a courier plastic bag and then send it out. I'm not sure why wouldn't they just send this beautiful box just like that instead of using the plastic bag on top. I mean, I would just like to receive a cardboard box when they're using it already. Anyway, this is how the box looks like. This is a really nice box, as you can see, and as I said, I got two fitted from them. Let me just open it and show you guys. This is how it looks like when you first open this package, and there is a handwritten postcard in there which says to a special note, and this brand is run by Nisha and Kiruva. So they both, I believe, is like working for the brand together to make these beautiful diapers. And as you can see, this is how this looks like. Let me just take them guys out from the box, and then you can have a better look at them. So the first thing which I noticed after taking it out from the box is their crotch. The crotch looks like really trimmed to me. I'm not sure how much it would be. Looks like somewhere around, I'm gonna say like 4 inches, probably like a bit more than 4 inches, so about like 4.5 inches to about 5 inches, which is pretty trim. I mean, I personally don't really like so trim diaper, so this is the first time I am trying them out, so I have to see how this is. And when I saw online, I was not sure about which kind of fabric which one is. So now I can see this one is a knit fabric, so this one has stretch to it, the all over diaper, whereas this is made from woven fabric, which is not stretchy. As you can see, I'm pulling it at its best. So I personally like the fitteds with the knit fabric rather than the woven fabric, because you know, when you're kind of like pulling this and putting it on the baby, I feel like this the knit fabric gives a lot more better fit than the woven. That's just me personally. They have their tag saying Bunny Bottoms, both of them. They have it right around like this, and if you can see in the back, they have the snaps in this way instead of having two side by sides. So I'm just going to open this up and see how it looks like. Also, one thing I wanted to say, when I got this fitteds, they also offer stay dry lining inside. I opt for the cotton fitted, I mean the cotton velour, because I feel like the velour is as well kind of like stay dry, partially stay dry, and it adds up to absorbency, whereas the micro fleece will not be absorbent, it just be there. So fitted, to me, I prefer it to be all absorbent. So I went for the both inside the velour. They had only one option in the velour of the color, so I'm fine with it, it's gonna be inside anyway. They had the light blue color in their stay dry option, and here, as you can see, this is how the inside looks like. Let me just show you guys one and then keep the other one on the side. So they have the front elastic right here, they have the back elastic here, they have kind of nice wide wing, so kind of like, you know, when you're pulling it, it's gonna be nice. And this is how their insert looks like. So the insert have one snap here to snap in with the shell. This is all cotton, both of them are all cotton, and this is the insert. They have a snake style insert, which I like. So you basically just fold it over all the way. For the girls, you can fold it in the middle. For boys, you can put more layers in the front and just put it there. So they are more customizable and snaps with one snap in there. And this one is for the booster, so the booster snaps in with the shell instead of the insert like most brands. So this is made from 4 layers of cotton, and this one as well made from the 4 layers of cotton and then 1 extra layer of the cotton velour on top. And as you can see, one thing I just noticed is, you know, the insert itself is about 4 inches or little over 4 inches, whereas the outside is the same. So kind of like, you know, I wonder when the baby's gonna wear this, if this will give a good leg fit. So that is what I have to see when I start using this. The another thing I noticed is, like, right now the fitted is at this rise and the insert has the stay dry or like this velour till up until here. But when I'm putting it in the largest setting on my, let's say, the 4-year-old, so this is gets big up to this much, and I want the insert to be stretching up, like covering up until there too. So I will have to put this in this way on the baby when it's going all the way up until like this. So this part will not have the stay dry or velour on the baby. So probably myself, I would like the velour at least up until here, and then that way, you know, when you are folding it down, the baby have velour all the way. And when the baby is using the insert in a larger setting, then they can also have the stay dry in their front, because my boys tend to wet in the front and the wetness comes up a lot faster than it goes in the back, so they will definitely feel wet in this area. Otherwise, these diapers are, like, you know, very nice and squishy. I mean, from the look you can tell, I mean, they look so nice and squishy, and kind of like, you know, as you can see, they look bulky. They are not bulky, but they are like really nice and squishy. So far looks really nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and prep these guys tomorrow and start using them. I hope this works great. I'll probably use them mostly for the daytime, and nighttime I'm not sure, because the crotch is pretty trim. I might not be able to add any more extra boosters in there, but once I start using, I'll be able to give you guys a better update about this product. So I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our social media. Until our next video, love your babies.